first graders. We are going to get started on a new project today, and we are going to be learning about all sorts of art words and using those in our artwork. So we're going to be working with lines, we're going to be working with shapes, we're going to be working with color groupings, we're going to be working with some texture, we're going to be working with some patterns. So that's a lot of words, and I'm not going to talk about all of them today because we won't use all of them today. Today what we're going to do is work with lines, specifically a swirly line, and we're going to be working with either the warm colors or the cool colors. It's up to you which one you use. So we probably, by the time you watch this video, have already talked about the warm and the cool colors, but I'm going to review it with you. So the warm colors are red, orange, and yellow, and the cool colors are green, blue, and purple. So what we're going to do today is paint a background for a penguin. Now, some of you may be thinking, I already did a penguin project, and I believe you're right. I know there was one day when I was gone for meetings, and I had you do like a how-to draw video of a penguin. This project is going to be completely different than that. So I am going to do a demonstration in just a second. Okay, so we already talked about the warm and the cool colors, and what you're going to do today is paint swirls on this piece of paper to make the background for our penguin. Now, you have two options for painting the background. One, you can paint using the cool colors, or two, you can paint using the warm colors. You cannot mix and match them though. So if you choose the cool colors, you will only use green, blue, and purple. And if you choose to use the warm colors, you will only use red, orange, and yellow. So I am going to use the warm colors. And again, it is your choice what you choose to use or what you decide to use. What I'm gonna do is get the puddle in my paint like this, and then I need to make sure I stir it around really, really well so that my paint is nice and bright. And I am just going to make swirls around my paper like this. Okay, now you don't want big, huge swirls because then it's going to look like there is a lot of white space or empty space left on your paper. So make sure you're putting them fairly close together like I'm doing, and I could even make them even closer together than what I have been doing. Now, you can make your swirls go off your paper like that if you would like. And you can make your swirls overlap one another like that. I wouldn't do that a ton because it will start to look kind of scribbly, but a little bit here and there is perfectly fine. And you will just keep going until you have your paper all filled up. So if you have any questions, please let me know.